So if you're thinking about submitting a formal written complaint to your employer, but you have questions about what to include in that complaint, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Syndel. I'm the managing attorney here at Knoll Law Group. Our firm has been around since 1989, and we handle employment matters where we represent individuals and employees who've been wronged or harmed by their employers. So what is a formal written complaint? First of all, make sure that your complaint is formal. It must notify your supervisor and your human resources department that you are actually making a complaint, that you have problems and there needs to be some solutions. Make sure that this complaint is in writing. This is essential, whether it be via email, text message, or even a handwritten note. It must notify in writing that you're making a complaint to your supervisor or to your human resources department. Now, what should you actually include in your formal written complaint? Dates, specific instances, specific conversations that you had with coworkers or supervisors that you think is harassment or discrimination, that all must be in your written complaint. If you have any witnesses, make sure that you also include their names and what they might know in that complaint as well. Now, why is it so important to make sure that your formal complaint is in writing? Depending on the laws and depending on the facts, your employer might be required to have been notified at the time of your employment of the harassment or discrimination to be able to fix the problem. Now, employers, a lot of times, feign ignorance at the time of litigation and say that they had no idea that you were making a complaint about discrimination or harassment. Don't let them get away with it. Make sure you put your complaint in writing. So if you have any more questions about making a formal complaint, you can give our offices a call. We are absolutely here to help.